Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add border to a column in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and click on this number sheet and click on this column serial number and select your column you want to add border and see this. If I click on this column and column selected, now click on the table format option and select table cell option. And here you will find this border option. You can add only outside border, this all border and other kinds of border. I'll add all border, click here and here selected no border. Now click on this border arrow and I'll select this border option. There are three kinds of border, this dotted border, this is dash border and this solid border. Click on the solid border icon and see this solid border showing. Also you can increase border thickness, you can change border color, add this border color. Now click in here and see this border already added. Also add border this column, click on this column serial number and save and select your border, all border and border color and choose this color and increase. Also I'll make this border dash and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.